Hello English class. Today we are going to learn how to use simple present tense in real life. Let's dive into the video. We use the simple present tense to talk about daily routines, habits, general truths, fixed schedules. Let's look at some examples. Positive sentences. I go to school. He eats breakfast at 8 a.m. They play football every evening. Notice, with he, she, it, we add s or s to the verb. Example, she plays, he goes, it rains. Negative sentences. I don't eat fast food. He doesn't like coffee. They don't watch TV in the morning. We use don't with I, you, we, they, and doesn't with he, she, it. Questions. Do you play cricket? Does she speak English? Do they go to school? We start with do or does. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.